Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to set up the Wavlink Aerial N300 WN578R2 wireless extender. Whether you're using the WPS method for a quick setup or manually configuring it through the web interface, will help you extend your Wi-Fi coverage in no time. Follow along to improve your internet connection and eliminate dead spots in your home. Firstly, we start with the unboxing, giving you the cleanest review of the product that what comes in the packet. Inside the Wavlink Aerial N300 WN578R2 wireless extender box, you'll find the extender itself, a user manual to guide you through the setup, and a power adapter for plugging it into an outlet. Some packages may also include an Ethernet cable for optional wired setup or configuration. The compact design makes it easy to install and use. So let's start the setup process. Plug the Wavlink Aerial N300 WN578R2 wireless extender into a power outlet near your router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid. Now use a computer or mobile device to connect to the extender's default Wi-Fi network, usually named Wavlink XXXX. Open a browser and enter 192.168.10.1 in the address bar. This will bring you to the extender's login page. The default username and password are both usually admin. After logging in, select Repeater Mode and scan for your existing Wi-Fi network. Choose your network from the list, enter your Wi-Fi password, and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. Once the extender is set up, move it to a location between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi coverage. So now we will discuss the WPS push button method. WPS, Wi-Fi Protected Setup, is a wireless network security standard that allows devices to easily connect to a Wi-Fi network without needing to enter the network password. It works by pressing a WPS button on both the router and the device to automatically establish a secure connection. So let's start the process. Plug the extender into a power outlet near your router and wait for the power LED to stabilize. Press the WPS button on your router for about 2 seconds. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the Wavlink extender. The LED will blink and then turn solid when connected. Unplug the extender and move it to a spot between your router and the weak Wi-Fi area. That's it. Your extender should now be boosting your Wi-Fi signal. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much for watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.